Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Pag-IBIG MP2 savings using GCash. So first, you want to open your GCash app. And heads up, when depositing to your MP2 account, the minimum is 500 pesos. And unlike regular Pag-IBIG contributions deducted from your salary, MP2 lets you deposit anytime you want, depending on your budget. So you could pay this month and then maybe the next in a few months. It's actually really flexible. Now, you want to make sure you have funds in your GCash wallet. Once you have confirmed that, you want to go to Bills. Then from here, you want to click Government. Then search for Pag-IBIG. You want to select the first option you see. Now here, you want to type in the amount you want to deposit. For the payment type, select Modified Pag-IBIG Savings. And you'll need your Pag-IBIG MP2 account number, so you want to make sure you have that handy. Next, fill in the period covered from field. You can also add your address if you want a confirmation sent to you, but that's optional. Then click next and remember there's a 5 peso GCash fee for the transaction. Confirm it and you'll get a payment receipt and confirmation right in GCash. You can also screenshot that for your records. And finally, if you want to double check your deposit, you can log into the virtual Pag-IBIG website and after about maybe 3 business days, you'll see your updated savings. And basically, that's it. Depositing your Pag-IBIG MP2 via GCash is quick, convenient, and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!